Ladies and gentlemen, I present you Jerry Lee Lewis. Oh, wait a minute. Let's start that over. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kid Rock coming to you live from Tweety.com. Tweety Bird. I don't know. You ever hear of reincarnation? Could it be possible that that's Jerry Lee Lewis right there as a bird? He was the jailbird at one time, you know. This is getting very interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, Jerry Lee Lewis. Hey, Jerry. Come on up and sing it, Jerry. Come on. Your mum one. They can't hear you. Get up here where everybody can see you. Oh, keep talk, woman. Come on, your fans are waiting. Let's do it. You're on. Oh, come on. Got to be Jerry Lee. Gotta be. Oh. That could be Kid Rock. He's bouncing. Oh yeah. Get it, boy. Yeah. Woo. Sing it. Yeah. Good, Jerry. Oh, you're rocking now, baby. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Play it, Jerry. Woo. Come on, Jerry. Come on. Sing it. Oh, yeah. Keep on rocking. Yeah. Don't do that. They don't want to see you pick your butt. Woo. One more time. Come on. Woo!
That just blew my mind.
Ladies and gentlemen, good night.